Hello everyone, I'm Amy Mr. Here. Today I'm going to present my EVS activity for acid race. So, what is acid rain? Acid rain refers to the deposition of acidic components in either wet or dry forms. Acid rain is basically rain that has a higher than normal acid level, low pH. Natural acid rain can be caused by volcanic emissions and biological processes. This image, this image is present the term acid rain pathway, showing how industrial pollution leads to acid rain and its impact on the environment. Uh, Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Uh, pollut- Pollutant emissions. First, factories release the SO2 sulfur dioxide and another nitrogen dioxide into the atmosphere through smoke. Chemical reaction in the atmosphere. These gases react with water vapor in the clouds. SO2 forms H2SO4 sulfuric acid. NO2 forms HNO3 nitric acid. Acid rain formation. This acid mix with rainwater and fall at acid rain. Environmental impacts. Acid rain hits lake, rivers, and soil, damaging plant life, aquatic ecosystems, and buildings. In the image, in the image, fish and underwater plants are shown in a lake, indicating the harmful effects on the aquatic life. Causes of acid rain. Causes of acid rain divide into two categories. First, natural causes. Mm. These sources, natural causes, these sources occur without human involvement. Now, volcanic emissions. Volcanic release of gases like sulfur dioxide (SO2) during eruption, which can form acid rain. Decaying of vegetation. Volcanic matter breaking down naturally releases gases like methane and nitrogen compounds. Wildfires. Forest fires emit gases and particles that can contribute the acid formation. Next is biological processes. Activity means like microbial respiration in wetlands uh, can release gases like methane and nitrogen oxide. Next is second causes is a man-made sources. These are human induced causes and are the major contributors to the acid rain. First is human activities. Various industrial processes and energy production release sulfur and nitrogen oxides. Automobiles and factories burning fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, and coal emits SO2 and ionized nitrogen oxides. Electric power generation, coal. Burning coal in power plants release large quantities of SO2, a key acid rain contributor. Effects of acid rain. Effects of acid rain. One second. We This image describes the effects of acid rain on the different parts of the environment. First is effect on aquatic environment. Acid rain lowers the pH of lakes, rivers, and streams, making the water acidic. These harms or kills aquatic types like fish, plants, and insects. The image show airfish. The image shows airfish and polluted water bodies. This indicates oxygen acidic condition. Second is the second is effect on forest. Acid rain damages leaves, reduce tree growth, and removes important nutrients from the soil. It makes trees more vulnerable to diseases, pests, and harsh weather. Forest damage is particularly evident in Eastern Europe, especially uh, Germany, Poland, and Switzerland. The photo displays discolored youth and pink forest, which result from long-term exposure to acid rain. Next is effect on soil. Everyone, acid rain floods soil chemistry by letting away essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium. Calcium and magnesium. It disrupts soil microbes and reduces biological activity, which affects plant growth. The images compare soil health over time, showing degraded landscapes due to activity. Next is vegetation cover and plantations. Acid rain causes stunted growth and leaf damage, which can lead to death of plant. It affects forest areas and farmlands, damaging crops and reducing productivity. This image shows damaged plant leaf acid rain impact to foliage. A forest area labeled as acid rain damage indicating decaying trees and thinning vegetation. Next is effect on architecture and buildings. Acid rain reacts with minerals in buildings material, especially uh, limestone and marble, leading to corrosion. Historical uh, moment. Example, the Taj Mahal suffers visible damage and the surface erosion over time. Modern infrastructure, cars, plants, bridges, and steel structures also corrodes due to acid exposure. The image of the Taj Mahal before and after discoloration shows how acid rain has dulled and stained its surface. Next is the effect on public health. Acid rain does not directly affect humans, but inhalable acidic particles can cause respiratory and cardiovascular issues. Conditions like bronchitis and asthma are aggravated by long-term exposure to polluted in air. The image shows a child using a mask, with indicating respiratory issue. A symbolic image of acid rain falling on a person under an umbrella. This slide presents solution to acid rain, focusing on how to reduce it and repair its damage. Here's what each point means. Uh, Solution to acid rain, reducing acid rain. Understand acid deposition causes and effect. Educating people about how acid rain forms its sources like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide and its harmful effects helps encourage action. Second is clean up smokestacks and exits pipe. Industry, industries and vehicles should use scrubbers and filters to reduce harmful emissions. Implementing a regulation and emission standard is essential. Second is use alternative energy sources. Switching to renewable energy like solar, wind, or hydro reduces dependency on fossil fuels, the main source of acid rain, promotes cleaner air and a healthier environment. Fourth is restore a damaged environment. Activities like timing acidic lakes and soils help neutralize the acid. Replanting trees and rehabilitating ecosystem supports recovery. Second is a look to the future. Planning with sustainability in mind ensures that future generations face fewer environmental problems. Innovation and green technology are key. Take action as individuals. Every person can help by reducing energy consumption in using public transport, recycling, and supporting eco-friendly policies. In short, these are a mix of technological, environmental, and behavioral solutions that aim to prevent further acid rain and repair what has already been harmed. Let me know you like this turn into a study. It is a reference and Thank you.